Hi, welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. This is Jack Comedy tonight. This is Jack Comedy night, So as you can see right there, say this is my flag. Say this is my flag. Say this is my flag because the reason why I have this flag because the alien kidnapped me. Say the alien kidnapped me. Say and they chose me as the to be the president of the planet. Say and they put me in this. I visit. Say they kidnap me. Say they make me visit all the planet out there. All the planet out there. I've been through all of them. See, the way it was happened. So let me tell you, I was sleeping in my bed, right? And all of a sudden, see, I start hearing voices. I hear voices. See, they were talking to me in English because I believe they speak English. I don't know. Probably because say USA say they went to the space, they went to the moon, and probably. But I don't know about that. See, because I don't know about that. See, I'm not gonna go through all that. But let me go through that. And I'm sleeping, right? And all of a sudden, I feel something. And I wake up on my dream. I wake up on my dream. And I get up all of a sudden. And I put my finger on the ground, see the planet of the earth. And I, boom! And I explode in it. And all of a sudden, I see everybody start flying. And I'm like, what the heck? I'm like, what the heck is going on? And I get, I get up from that dream. And I'm like, what's going on? What's going on? Everybody think like I'm freaking crazy, they tell like, what's going on, Jack? And I don't know, because I just have it's freaking dream. I have a dream, a big dream. I'm explaining the early though. But before everything happened, they were announcing me. Say it's like they announced me, telling me I was started feeling some type of feeling. Say before they kidnapped me, they kidnapped me, buddy. I was sleeping on the bed. And I don't feel nothing. I don't feel. I feel my body's numb. See, and I feel like things that go into my body like life. See, I'm talking about. See, my eyes was open. I'm talking about life. My eyes was open, life. See, I'm talking about. I see all those things, and I keep those things quiet. I stay quiet. I don't say anything to my mom. I don't say anything to nobody because I don't want no freak out nobody. I say like see, I feel like my body's. I don't know what they're gonna say about me. Well. So that's the reason why, say they give me a lot of different tools. The alien, say before that, say they make me buy stuff. They make me go ahead and get that flag. They say this is gonna be your flag because we're gonna walk with you. We're gonna take you to places that you never see before, places that nobody ever see before. And I see when they start to show me places, say I see that people, I see people that dead before, say I see people, I see all kinds, I see mentally taken. I see all those people, I see all those guys. I see them, say like living in different places, say they have different, say I go to even the sun. I see I make myself go there. It's like a planet, it's like a planet. Say people living in there. They tell me to buy certain things. They make me buy this thing. Say the thing that I really, say that I buy a lot of different things, tools that I need to work with. So people, I'm not joking. Don't take me like I'm crazy. Say I'm not joking. And I talk to people, say they might think I'm crazy. I'm not crazy, man. Say why would I say something like that if I don't see it for real? Why do I say something like that? There's something. The thing is that's the reason why. Back in the time, say when I was a kid, I want to do computer animation, and all of a sudden, say they see all those things in my dream. They see all those things. They read my mind, and they see all the things that I really want to do with my life. That's the reason why I want to do computer animation, so I could put all those dreams and all those type of things, say that I see to reality and kind of way people will see them. And hey, man, I say it, man. I just put it in a comedy view, but the fact that say those things they happen for real. If you want to believe me, if you're out there, you want to believe me, believe me. If you don't want to believe me, that's your problem. But I see it myself. I see alien. I see all those people. I see the people. They live in a different place. The same way you guys living them down there in the earth. They live in the same way. Same thing that you guys cannot. It's like. You guys cannot see them, right? But they can see you guys. But when I go to sleep, I dream, say I see them. They're using all my body, say they're using all my body, all my speak. They're using everything on me. But stay tuned, I will talk to you more about that. I will talk to you more. I know it's interesting, say stay tuned. You take like when people die, where they go? I'm telling you, they living, man. They living out there. Say they living all those other planets. Say they living out there. So stay tuned.